Good morning, students. This is our English class. In English, what we are reading? We are reading fruits and vegetables. Okay? So, in your Oxford book, page number 42, we are going to read it again. Okay? See the picture and heading is given fruits and vegetables. What is the spelling of fruit? F-R-U-I-T. And many are there, the fruits. And vegetables, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. Okay, this is fruits and vegetables. What it is written? Look at the apples and bananas. Here is apples and bananas. The apples are red and the bananas are yellow. The apples are red and the bananas are yellow. The oranges are big and the grapes are small. These oranges are big and the grapes are small. Okay. Next, there are 2 pears and 5 plum in the picture. There are 2 pears. Here is 2 pears and 5 plum in the picture. Okay. This is all about fruits. Now come to vegetables. What it is written? Look at the vegetables. Here also you can look, and same thing given here. Count them. You have to count. Talk about their colors. You have to say about their colors. Okay. Number 1. O-N-I-O-N-S. Onions. Onions. They are how many? 1, 2. And what is their color? White. Here white. Onion comes in both that red and this. Sorry, that pinkish and this one white in color. On both type of onions are there. Next one is potatoes. P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S. Potatoes. See, there are how many potatoes? 1, 2, 3, 4. And they all are in brown in color. What is the color? Brown. Then beans. B-E-A-N-S. Beans. They are green in color. What is the color of the beans? They are green in color. And how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 beans. Okay. Next, P-E-A-S. Peas. Peas means this vegetable is known as peas. It is green in color. And how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 peas. Here, T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S. Tomatoes. These are red in color. And how many is this? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tomatoes. Next come carrots. C-A-R-R-O-T-S. Carrots. There are 3 carrots. Carrots come in 2 color. Okay. One is like pink, red, and one is orange in color. Both are correct. Next, C-A-B-B-A-G-E-S. Cabbages. Cabbages, there are how many cabbages? 1, 2. And they are green in color. And last is cucumbers. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R-S. Cucumbers. They are 1, 2. There are 2 cucumbers. And they are green in color. Understand? This is all about given in your book. Now, listen to me very carefully. Your mother brought and father go to the market and bring so many vegetables. See them, learn them. What are they? Okay? At your home, you pick lady's finger, this one potato, this one tomato, this one carrot, and also identify their colors. Understand? This is your practical thing. Understand? Now come to our written part. Just you have read the vegetable name. Now you should know the spelling. What is the spelling of onion? O-N-I-O-N. O-N. Onion. What is the spelling of onion? O-N-I-O-N. O-N-On. Onion. If I put S, it becomes onions, means more than one. The onion will be more than one. Understand? Next one is potato. What is the spelling of potato? P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. If there is one potato, we say potato. And there are many potatoes, means more than one, then we say potatoes. We put ES. Okay? Same way, tomatoes. T-O-To, ma, M-A, T-O-To. Tomato. And if one, you will say tomato. And if it is more than one, you will say tomatoes. You will put ES. Okay. Next vegetable spelling is beans. B-E-A-N-S. Beans. Okay. Next, what we can say? Peas. P-E-A-S. Peas. Okay. Peas. Then carrots. C-A-R-R-O-T-S. Carrots. Okay. Understand? Next is cabbages. First you write cabbage spelling C-A-B-B-A-G-E. This is cabbage. And if more than one, what you will say? Cabbages. Okay. Then cucumber. C-U-M cum B-E-R bird. And if more than one, cucumbers. Understand? Understand? Next is, we can say brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. Okay? Next, cauliflower. Cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I. Cauliflower. F-O-F-L-O-W-E-R. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Cauliflower. So these are the spelling I have given you to learn. You learn. If I say you to write any five name of the any five vegetable, you have to write. So practice this. Learn them. Okay. Now come to our next topic. This is our fill in the blanks. Okay. What it is written? Fill in the blanks with vegetables. You have to fill it up with vegetables. Okay, what it is written? The dash are green. So tell me any vegetable which are green. Which are green in color? Like beans, peas. These are green in color. You write any one of. The beans are green. B-E-A-N-S. Beans. The beans are green. Okay. Next, the dash are red. What are red? Red tomatoes. Then you can say the tomatoes are red. Next, the dash are brown. What things are brown? Potato. So you will write potatoes. The potatoes are brown. The dash are green. Again, here beans you have already written. Your cabbages are green. Your cucumbers are green. Your peas are green. You can write the peas are green. The peas are green. The dash are white. You know onions. Onion may be in white in color or may be in dark pink in color. So you will say the onions are white. Onions. The onions are white. Understand? This way the color will be mentioned and you have to write the vegetable name. Understand? Now come to our next topic. Now here written some fruits and vegetables. You have to identify they are fruits or vegetables. See what it is written. Potato. Potato, tell me, it is a fruit or vegetable? It is a vegetable. So you will write here vegetable. V-E-G-E. Veggie. T-A-B-L-E. Table. Okay, next one it is given apple. Apple is a fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. Next it is written grapes. Sorry. here grapes. So grapes is a fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Then onions. Onions is a vegetable. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E. Next, beans. Beans is a vegetable. We will write vegetable. Okay. Next is plum. Plum is a fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Next, cabbages. Cabbages is a vegetable. You will write vegetable. Next, watermelon. Watermelon is a fruit. You will write here fruit. So understand, student, what I have teach you. Learn the spelling of vegetables. Okay. Then fill in the blanks. Which color, and you have to write the vegetable. Then you have to identify these are vegetables or fruits. Understand? So today's teaching over, students. Thank you.